We are on the part 2, which includes on the network topologies. We have discussed the first three topology, which is bus, ring and star topology in our previous lecture. You can go and watch that lecture first. Next, today we are going to discuss the mesh topology, tree topology and the hybrid topology. So first of all, let's start with the mesh topology. As its name shows, it's a mesh. It's create a mesh. So every computer is connected to each other via the dedicated channels. Each one have dedicated channel. So what are the features of mesh topology? It has the total number of the ports that are required by each device is n minus 1. N is our total number, minus 1. Like if we have 5 devices that are connected, then port 4 are required. We have total 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the total number of dedicated links required to connect them in n minus 1 divided by 2. Like if there are 5 computers connected to it, then required dedicated links will be 5 multiplied by 4. 4 like n minus 1, we have 5 total, minus 1 4 divided by 2 is 10. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So it can be divided into two kinds. First, fully connected mesh topology, all the nodes connected to every other nodes, and partially connected the mesh topology. It does not have all the nodes connected to the each other. So advantage, it is robust, of voltage diagnosed easily, easy to troubleshoot, and provide privacy and security. Disadvantages include the cost of implementation and the maintenance is high because it's a complex topology. That's why its cost is high and the maintenance is cost is high and maintenance is implementation is complex. Next, configuration and installations are difficult and suitable. It's only suitable for the less number of the devices. We can't use it for the large network. In tree topology, tree topology has the root node and the other two nodes are connected to the root. Like tree, we just imagine like tree have roots, then then roots further have roots, have branches. So there are only one connection between two connected nodes. It has the parent-child hierarchy. It is also known as the hybrid topology that combine characteristics of linear bus and star topology. So what are the examples of tree topology? Tree topology is used to organize the computers in the corporate network. And what are the features? It usually implemented in WAN wide area network like internet. So tree topology's advantages are like it's adding a computer to a node is easy. So fault finding is easier, troubleshooting is easier, as we can say. And third one, we have the features of the star and bus topology. In star topology, we have our main feature is hub. We can also use a hub in the tree topology, and in bus topology, it's a single transmission medium or the single one way transmission. So we have disadvantages. In disadvantages, it require a huge cable, and it's costly to implement. It's pretty expensive. And third one, if the root node fail, then the whole network will fail and will stop its processing. So hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is the combination of two or more types of network topologies. So this type of network topologies are usually implemented by the organization. So what are the examples of the hybrid topology? Internet is the best example. If there is a bus topology in an IT department with a ring topology in HR department, then connecting these two will be the result of hybrid because it's a combo of bus and ring topology. What are the features? It is a collection of two or more topologies. The advantage is first one, we have advantage is scalability. It is easy to increase the size of the network by adding new components. It's effective because design is designed in such a way that the strength of constituent topologies is maximized, and flexible. It can be designed according to the requirements of the organization, and it's reliable. As troubleshooting is easier and error detecting, so fault detection and the troubleshooting is easier. So disadvantages of the hybrid topology is that it costly to implement. It's pretty expensive, like tree topology, and cost of the infrastructure. We have to pay a lot of cost to implement it, infrastructure and hub and expertise and expertise increase. So difficult to manage as it's complex to design.